Welcome. We will discuss bipartite graph. What bipartite graph is then? Instead of saying, let us draw in bold, that will help you. Let us assume this type of three vertices. These are three vertices of a graph, and let us assume these are four vertices. So altogether 7 vertices are there. If these vertices are such that this we can say belongs to set A and this belongs to another set, two parts. There is no common. If we can plot edges like this, suppose this is one example. In this case, what we are observing, that all the edges have one end at green vertices, the other end at red vertices. There is no edge where both the ends are in red vertices or both the ends are in green vertices. This type of graph we are saying as bipartite graph. In this bipartite graph, there cannot be any edge among these vertices. There cannot be any edge among these vertices. This type of graph is known as bipartite graph. The graph may be, if we are adding more edges, still it will remain a bipartite graph. So long we are not adding any edge in this side or this side, till that time it will remain a bipartite graph. In this bipartite graph, now we can try to explain what is a complete bipartite graph. Generally, bipartite graph are denoted in this way, GMN. That means in one part there are m vertices, another part there are n vertices. Now, what is a complete bipartite graph? For a complete bipartite graph, from every vertex of this side there should be an edge to vertices of this side. From here also there should be a vertex, from here to here it is there, here it is there, here. From here there will be a vertex here, edge here, there will be edge here, there will be edge here. Now we can see from this side, from this vertex, all the edges are there to all these vertices. From this vertex also, from this vertex you can check in this side also. So this is called a complete bipartite graph, and it is denoted by Kmn. Mn are the number of vertices in one side and another side. This is called a complete bipartite graph. But in this graph, it is easy to see that okay, there is no edge in this side. Always the graphs are not that type of simple. Suppose take another graph. Let us try to draw a graph. Let us assume this is a graph. Suppose you can give name V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, V7, V8. How to know whether it is bipartite or not? For that, I will show you one method. Try to follow this method. It will be easier for you to understand whether it is bipartite or not. Suppose starting from V1, we are writing V1 here. From V1, V2 edge is there. So V2 will be in other side. From V2, V3 edge is there. So V2 and V3 will not be in the same side. V3 will come here. From V3, V4 edge is there. So V3, V4 cannot be in same side. From V4, V5 edge is there. So bring V5 in the other side. From V5, V6 edge is there. You can take it in this side. From V6, V7 edge is there. So take V7 in this side. And from V7, V8 is there. So you can take V8 in this side. So in this way, we can get now we can redraw this graph. From V1, there are two edges, V2 and V8. V2 and V8. From V2, V1 and V3. From V3, it is V4. From V4 to V5. V5 to V6. V6 to V7. V7 to V8. See, there is no edge among these vertices. There is no edge among these vertices. Hence, it's a bipartite graph. So in this way, a graph we cannot, by seeing easily, we can say whether it is bipartite or not. We have to make a partition. If we can make a partition like this, then it will be a bipartite graph. Remember, for a connected graph, if it is a bipartite graph, then there will be a unique bipartition. That means B1, B3, B5, B side and this side, B2, B4, B6, B8, this side. You can interchange the sides, but you cannot change you cannot change this order. So for a connected bipartite graph, there is called a unique bipartition is there. One more thing, if you can remember, it will help you, that in this graph you can see a cycle is there. Cycle always, this is also a cycle, the same cycle is drawn in a different style. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges are there. So which one is a bipartite graph? Where there is no cycle of odd edges. If a graph there is no cycle of odd edges, then it is a bipartite graph. Conversely, we can say in a bipartite graph there cannot be a cycle of odd edges. So combinedly we can say a graph will be bipartite if and only if there is no cycle of odd edges. I think I can able to explain what is a bipartite graph. Thank you.